Hello, Galaxy. I'm Chris Pirillo, and this is my view in fewer than two. Tech billionaires cannot be escaped. Like, they are out there, and no matter what you do or do not do, they don't care, right? When I came out and said that I believe that Facebook Threads has an opportunity to topple Twitter, some Elon Musk fanboys came out in full force. I'm not going to give any of my money to Mark Zuckerberg. He doesn't need my data. I'm going to keep my data to myself. But you're willing to support Elon Musk, another tech billionaire. Give him your $8 a month and give him your data. But not that guy. This guy, but not that. Huh? Okay, now maybe, just maybe, you're sitting there, well, I'm not going to give my data to Twitter or Facebook. Okay, cool. So what are you doing watching this video on the internet? Why are you using YouTube to watch this video? Because your data is being tracked. That's the thing. Even if you're not supporting this billionaire, you're supporting another. And you may be saying to yourself, well, yeah, Chris, you're crazy. I'm not on Facebook. I'm not on Twitter. I don't even use YouTube. Don't ask me how I'm watching this video right now. But I go to the grocery store and I buy food. Oh, you buy food at the grocery store, right? Those prepackaged products, delicious. Not exactly the healthiest things on the planet, but guess what? Guess who makes money from all of those products that you buy? Companies run by... Say it with me. I'll give you a clue. Starts with the B, ends in Billionaires. So no matter what you do, you're going to be supporting a billionaire. It's just the way the system is. I don't like it. But to sit there and say that you're not going to support one tech billionaire when in the same breath, you're supporting another tech billionaire, bravo.